Hello viewers, my name is Abu Bakr. Welcome back to our channel. In this video, we are going to talk about some popular mobile advertising networks like AdMob, Facebook, Audience Network, Upload, and Unity Ads. These networks can help you earn money from your mobile apps by displaying ads to your users. Let's get started the video and learn more about each of them. So the first one is AdMob. AdMob is a mobile advertising platform developed by Google. It provides a way for app developers to make money by showing targeted ads in their apps. With AdMob, you can choose from various ad formats like banner ads, interstitial ads, and rewarded video ads. To get started with AdMob, you will need to create an AdMob account. Once you have set up your account, you can integrate AdMob into your app. AdMob utilizes Google's powerful ad targeting algorithm to display relevant ads to your app users. This increases the chance of generating revenue as the ads shown are more likely to be of interest to your users. So the next one is Facebook Audience Network. Let's talk about Facebook Audience Network. If you are already familiar with Facebook ads, you will find Facebook Audience Network to be a valuable tool. It allows you to extend your Facebook advertising campaign to mobile apps, reaching a wider audience. To use Facebook Audience Network, you will need to create a Facebook developer account. Once you are set up, you can start displaying ads within your app using formats such as native ads, banner ads, interstitial ads, and rewarded video ads. Facebook's targeting option ensure that the ads shown to users are highly relevant, increasing your chance of earning money from your app. So the next one is Uploading. Another popular mobile advertising network, Upload, offers comprehensive monetization solution for mobile apps. They provide different ad formats, including native ads, interstitial ads, and rewarded video ads. To begin monetizing your app with Upload, you will need to create an account. Once you are signed up, you can explore these various ad formats and choose the ones that work best for your app. Upload also offers powerful analytic tools to help you optimize your ad performance and maximize your revenue potential. Their advanced targeting options ensure that the ads displayed to your users are highly relevant, leading to better engagement and increasing earnings. And the last but not least, let's discuss Unity ads. If you are a game developer using the Unity game engine, Unity ads can be a great option for monetizing your games. To get started with Unity ads, you will need to create a Unity ads account. Unity ads offer video ads and rewarded video ads, which can be seamlessly integrated into your game. By displaying these ads at strategic moment within your game, you can earn revenue while providing an interrupted gaming experience for your players. Unity Ads also provides advanced targeting options to ensure that the ads shown to players are relevant and engaging. So there are have it. We have covered four popular mobile advertising networks like AdMob, Facebook Audience Network, Upload, and Unity Ads. Each of these networks offers unique features and benefits to help you monetize your mobile apps and games effectively. When choosing an advertising network, consider factors like ad formats, targeting capabilities, and analytic tools to make an informed decision. It's always a good idea to test different networks and find one that aligns best your app or game and your monetization goal. That wraps up today's videos. If you found this information helpful, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more informative content like this. If you have any questions or want to share your experience with these advertising networks, please leave a comment below. We love hearing from you. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next video. Happy Monetized.